Divas! Today, I'm sorry for not posting any videos, so don't forget the baby egg. It's a rip-off Kinder Egg. I love this Barbie egg so much. It's the only one there. My brother ate too, so this is the one. Okay. Let me get some big juicy.
Try mo na.
My good.
Teka muna.
Where? Ang kain! Bawal kain! Nakakain ka na ha?
Nasaan ang costume?
I have a
Iniwan ko
baby.
daw.
I have a baby. Oh. Bye-bye. Hindi pa. Big super.
Pare o ano? Sa toppings.
Secret.
Ano ba yan? Ano yan?
Secret.
Ano yan, LA?
Ring. So, sa isang Barbie Coco egg.